First Officer's Log, Stardate 5147.4. At long last, my requisition for a comm panel has finally arrived. By mounting this inside my workspace, I can be alerted when fellow crewmen are approaching the threshold. Sensors mounted on either side of the panel mean I can choose where it should attach to the bulkhead. My challenge is to get my shipmates to respect my new operational protocols.
Hey, Stephanie.
Have you had a chance to look over these here duty rosters?
It's Commander Collins, crewman, and you need to press the comm panel button before you're barging through my turbo lift doors.
Yeah, I'm not doing that.
Don't say I didn't warn you.
Nope, nope, no!
Sir, do you want me to have someone come in and clean this up for you?
Make it so. Dismissed. First Officer's Log, Supplemental. Discipline on this ship has become dangerously lax. I'm afraid I'll have to resort to some extreme measures to get this crew back in fighting form.
I got a work order to clean up another charred crewman.